Okay, so this should look pretty familiar by now. We're going to have, um, I'm going to dictate some sounds, and then you guys are going to write the letter that it goes with. Um, you don't have to have this paper. You can just make a paper with two columns, and that will be just fine. So here we go. I'm going to say the sound again, and you guys are going to write the letter. E, I, a, a, I, e, I, e, a. Okay, good job. Now we can just leave this here. I don't think you need to write anything down for this. So we're going to talk about the word frog. Um, First, let's say the word frog. Try to say all of the sounds in the word frog. Okay, so now we're going to say that word again, but we will say, we'll leave out the R. So think about that, manipulate that in your head. So we went from frog, now we're going to leave out the R and say fog. Very good. Okay. And now we will use the other column on this for words. Um, and uh, I will help you spell the words that I'm going to say um, by helping you tap out the sounds so that you can write each letter that you hear. Um, and these are not, I think these are mostly words we've already used. One of them is a person's name, so I'll tell you when we get to that one because you have to do something special. Okay, so the first word we have is frog. A, g, frog. Box. B, a, x. Scent. S, e, n. Okay, and here's that person's name. We have Fred. So the very first sound we hear in his name is F, and that letter needs to be capitalized because it's a person's name. So e, d, Fred. 10, e, n. Then we have gift, g, I, t, gift. Man, m, a, n, man. Had, a, d, had. Pet, e, t. All right, nicely done, guys. Okay, and so we don't want to waste paper. So why don't you just flip this paper over that you've been writing on? And now I'm going to do those dictation sentences. And remember to push the space bar if you need time to write. And I'm going to say it a couple of times. I'm going to segment it so that you can uh, have a couple words only to think about to write. And then you can also rewind if you need to. Okay, so here we go with our friend Fred. Fred has a pet frog in a box. Fred has a pet frog in a box. Okay, and the next sentence is Sam sent Fred a gift. Sam sent Fred a gift. All right, you finished another one. Yay! See you next time.